This YouTube channel started uploading videos just 4 months ago, and with only 17 uploads, it has already gained nearly 75,000 subscribers. Now, here's the crazy part. Its most popular video alone has over 1.9 million views. So why am I talking about this channel? Because this niche is insanely simple to create. When I checked their earnings, I discovered something shocking. This channel made more than $7,000 in a single month from AdSense revenue alone. And if you look closely at their videos, most of them are only 3 to 8 minutes long, which means you don't need to spend hours editing or creating content. In fact, their videos are extremely simple. They use a voiceover, soft background music, and anime-style visuals. That's it. So what kind of content are they uploading? Relaxing Ghibli Style AI videos that feel cozy, calming, and addictive to watch. The soft visuals and ASMR style sounds keep viewers watching longer, which is exactly why these videos perform so well. And here's the best part. You can create these exact same Ghibli-style anime videos yourself. The only thing you need is a set of master Notion prompt templates, and I've already created them for you. You'll find them linked in the description below. Now, before we dive deep into the full tutorial, make sure you subscribe to this channel for more free AI and YouTube automation tutorials. Alright, no more wasting time. Let's dive in. Alright, now we're ready to go. It's time to start making the videos. Step 1. Analyze a successful channel. First, we need a Notion prompt. Head over to the Notion prompt template. Here, you'll see the Analyze prompt. Simply copy this entire prompt. Now, open ChatGPT and paste the prompt there. Next, go to YouTube and search for a channel called Ghibli Days. Take a screenshot of the channel homepage, including the channel name, videos, and description. Now, upload that screenshot into ChatGPT. So ChatGPT can clearly understand the channel. Once everything is ready, click Next. ChatGPT will now analyze the channel and tell you exactly what type of content they create, along with the complete AI creation workflow that you can easily follow step by step. Step 2. Generate video topic ideas. Now that the channel is analyzed, let's generate video topic ideas. Go back to the Notion template and scroll down to the topic prompt section. Copy this entire prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Here, you can choose how many topic ideas you want. I personally selected 15 ideas. Click Next, and ChatGPT will instantly generate 15 video ideas. From this list, simply choose one topic based on what you want to create. For this example, I selected this topic right here. Step 3. Generate the video script. Once we have our topic, it's time to generate the script. Go back to the Notion document and scroll down to the script prompt section. Copy the entire prompt, then paste it into ChatGPT. In the first line, paste the topic you selected. Next, choose how long you want the video to be. I selected 2 minutes, since this is just a demo. Now click Next. ChatGPT will automatically generate a complete script for your video. Step 4. Create scenes from the script. Now that the script is ready, we need to break it into scenes. Go back to the Notion file and find the scenes prompt. Copy this prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and click Next. ChatGPT will first tell you how many scenes are in the script. For example, this script has 20 scenes. If your script has more scenes, you can click Next again, and ChatGPT will generate the rest. Since this one has only 20 scenes, ChatGPT generated everything at once. Step 5. Generate image prompts and characters. Now it's time to create images, but first, we need image prompts. Go back to the Notion template and scroll to the image prompt section. Copy the entire prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. This prompt is designed to do 3 things. First, it shows the total number of scenes. Second, it tells you how many characters are in the story. Third, it generates character prompts first. These character prompts are very important. We'll reuse them in every scene to keep character consistency. Below that, ChatGPT also generates scene-by-scene image prompts with character names included. Step 6. Generate images using Video Anu. Now let's generate the images. I'll be using Video Anu, and the link is in the description. Click the link, sign up using your email, and you'll land on the dashboard. First, we need to create the characters. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the character prompt. Now head over to Video Anu. From the left sidebar, click on Character Generator. Paste the character prompt right here, then give your character a name. Next, choose a model server. Video Inu offers multiple models, Once selected, click Confirm. Within about a minute, Video Inu will automatically generate your character based on the prompt and the style of your channel. Now let's generate the video scene images. Go back to the sidebar and click on AI Images. Then click Image and choose Image to Image because we'll use our character as a reference. Next, select an image model. Video Inu has several models available, which is exactly why I love this tool. After that, upload your character image here. Then copy the same prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt box. Finally, select your video resolution, click Confirm, and your scene images will start generating. Within a minute, Video Inu creates a perfect character image. Now repeat the same process for each scene. Copy the first scene image prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Video Inu, upload the reference character image, choose the model, and click Generate. Download the image, then move on to the next scene and repeat the process step by step. Step 7. Convert images into video. Once all images are ready, it's time to turn them into videos. Go back to the Notion file and scroll to the video prompt section. Copy the entire prompt, paste it into ChatGPT and click Next. ChatGPT will now generate scene-by-scene image-to-video prompts. Copy the first video prompt. Now go to Video Inu, click Image to Video. Upload the image, paste the video prompt, choose the video model, select your resolution. One reason I love Video Inu is because it automatically adds audio, which is perfect for this niche. Click Generate. Within a minute, your video clip is ready. Download it, then repeat the same process for every remaining scene. Step 8. Final editing. After that, open any video editing software. In my case, I'm using CapCut. Now, click on Import and bring in all your generated video clips. Import each clip one by one, then place them on the timeline in the correct order. Next, go to Transitions and add a smooth transition between every clip to make the video flow naturally. Don't overdo it. Simple transitions work best. After that, head over to the Filters section. Choose a filter that matches the Ghibli Style vibe. I'm using this one here. Once selected, customize the filter settings to make the colors soft, bright, and visually pleasing. If you want to add background music, now is the time. Import your music track, place it on the timeline, and lower the volume so it doesn't overpower the visuals. Once everything looks good, click on Export, choose your resolution, and export the video, and that's it. Your video is now ready to upload.
This smells wonderful already. Just a little more stirring. Perfect! Time to taste. Humming a happy tune. All clean and shiny now.
Just like that, you can create Ghibli Style AI videos in just a few minutes. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more amazing AI tutorials. Also, comment down below and share your experience using the Video Inu tool. Until then, keep creating. See you in the next one.